Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on multiple conditional statements in Python. I'm using Visual Studio Code. First of all, I'll be showing if and else statements in a program. We'll be creating a greater than program. So let's begin. I'm going to start with a variable a, which is equal to in. You can also use a float, input, and then bracket open. And then within the string, that is the quotation marks, I'm going to write enter the first number. And then another variable b, which is equal to int input, and then bracket open, and then quotation marks, enter the second number. Don't forget to close all the quotation marks and brackets. Now we're going to put a conditional statement like if a is going to be greater than b, then colon, put the tab for the indentation, print, bracket open, and then we're going to put a, which is a variable, so we're not enclosing it in a string, comma, quotation marks open, is greater than, quotation marks close, bracket b. Now remove the tab, put else, colon. For else, you don't have to specify the condition. Enter, put the tab, print b, quotation marks, is greater than, comma, a. Now we'll run this program. Let's see. So for the first number, I'm going to put 10. Yep, 10. Second number, I'm going to put 5. Yeah, the result is right. It's written 10 is greater than 5. Let's try again. I just enlarge this for your view. Yeah. And to the first number, I'm going to put 12. And for the second number, I'm going to put 100. This was also right. 100 is greater than 12. Let me show you once more. For the first number and the second number, I'm going to put it same, like 65, and then 65. This is wrong. This result is wrong. So how do we fix it? If you enter the same number, it's going to give the wrong result. So we have to use another conditional statement known as elif. Let's edit this again. I'm going to remove else, and after the if statement, press enter, remove the tab, put elif, and then now b is greater than a, and then colon, print with the tab on the next line, b, comma, string open is greater than, comma, a. Close the bracket. Now, this is also right. But what if first number and second number are both equal? For that, I'm going to write another statement. Again, elif. You can use elif multiple times. A equal to B. In Python, you are supposed to put double equals to mention the equality. And then tab, then print A, comma, string is equal to quotation marks closed, comma, B. Now We also have to mention an else statement. For that, what if some other symbol or any other character is entered? So that'll be wrong, yeah. So print invalid input or invalid value. I'm gonna write invalid input. You can write anything, or like for example, error. You can write. You can write error. Try again. So now let's run this. Now enter the first number 1, second number 9. Now we got 9 is greater than 1, so it's working. Now let's see what if it's equal. The first number 123, second number 123. Yes, we got the value 123 is equal to 123. This is right. Now what if I put some special character? First number dollar. See, it's showing anyway. It's showing error because we're supposed to use only integers since we mentioned that earlier. Yes. Thank you.